In this video, I'm going to introduce you to DemoFusion. DemoFusion is a high-resolution image generation model which extends the approach of latent diffusion models by employing progressive upscaling, skip residual, and dilated sampling mechanism. And there is more to it. High-resolution image generation with GenAI has immense potential, we all know that. But due to the enormous capital investment required for training, it has become increasingly centralized and challenging to a few large corporations. And also, most of these corporations are hidden behind the paywalls. This project, DemoFusion, aims to democratize high resolution GenAI by advancing the frontier of high resolution generation while remaining accessible to a broad audience. In this research, they demonstrate that existing latent diffusion models or LDMs possess untapped potential for higher resolution image generation. This new DemoFusion framework seamlessly extends open source GenAI models by employing progressive upscaling, skip residual, and dilated sampling mechanism to achieve higher resolution image generation. The progressive nature of DemoFusion requires more passes, but the intermediate results can serve as previews, facilitating rapid prompt iteration. They also have a very good paper which is very nicely written, and I'll drop the link to their project page in the video description where you can find all of this information. The methodology used in this is quite cool. So the framework of DemoFusion, as you can see on your screen, starts with conventional resolution generation. DemoFusion engages an unsampled diffuse denoise loop, taking the low resolution generated results. And then within the noise inverted representation from the corresponding time step, it serves as skip residual as global audience. And then in order to improve the local denoising paths of multi-diffusion, they have introduced dilated sampling to establish global denoising paths, and you can see that how it is progressively upscaling from left to right. And then it has also shifted crop sampling with dilated sampling, producing the image in a quite vivid way. Okay, and this is not it. You can also run it locally to test it out on your Linux or in the Google Colab, as they already have provided this Google Colab. Let me run it. I'm not sure if I have the credits to run it, but let's not keep us from at least trying. So just run anyway. And you can see it is downloading the model. Plus here somewhere, if I go scroll down, this is a prompt we are giving, that envision a portrait of an elderly woman, her face a canvas of time, framed by headscarf. Very nicely written, by the way. And as you can see, it is running, it is loading the model, which is quite cool, and doing the inference. So let's wait for it to finish. I'm not sure how big this model is, but it looks quite promising. Okay, it is also using FFmpeg. Okay, so I will let it run. While it runs, let me show you the demo. So this is a demo site from Replicat for this demo fusion from Lukataco. And if you scroll down, then you will see that this is the prompt which I was showing you in the Google Colab. They have also put it here. So a canvas of time framed by a headscarf with muted tones of rust and cream. Her eyes blue like faded denim, and this is faded denim. How cool is that? Dignified but yet simple. And these are the negative prompting and all that stuff. And they have generated three images out of it, and you can have your own choice. So these are all the hyperparameters they have used. Pretty cool. Maybe let me give it one. I'll just try to uh, create something. I'll just say, I'll just select it. I'll say create a calming, serene faced, middle-aged man who is suffering from midlife crisis and yet hopeful for the future. I'll just keep this and run it. So it is running, and you can see that in these tabs you can go with Node.js, Python. This is nice. So you can even use this code locally somewhere if you want to run it. This is nice, cool. And then similarly, you can go with Elixir, HTTP, and all that stuff. Let's go, and then you can even run it in the Docker container. Nice. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish. Maybe while it finishes, let's quickly go to our Google Colab to see what is happening there. Okay, so it has running on this radio link. So let's click on this link, and it is taking us here. And you can see that I'm just doing it live. No clean cut stuff here. Oh, very nice. So it has given us this local system where we can run it. Maybe I'll just say it envision a dinosaur living on Mars and mm, and looking wistfully in distant Earth. Okay, I think that's good for now. I'll just run it, and then it is running here. Let's go back to DemoFusion. It is also running. So I'll just wait for it, and then I'll pause the video and show you as it is done. So it's been 10 minutes and it is still running, and on the replicate side it is around 70% now, as you can see the progress. And the radio thing which I was running, it is still running, and I'm not sure how long this will take, but I will just wait for any one of them to finish and show you. So let's see, hopefully this ETA is quite low here, around 23 seconds, so let's wait for it to finish. There you go, it has produced this image, and I think this creamy look is sort of a hallmark, because if you remember that elderly lady, that was also a sort of creamy look. I think this looks more real, but really I think very very expressive, very closer to the reality. I would say the quality is really good, very impressed by it, and bit scary too if you ask me, and but took bit of a time, but that is expected from the free model hosted on a free site. And for this one, I think this is doing the same thing. I'm not sure how long this will take, so I will just leave it there. So all in all, very impressed by this model. And if you look at their GitHub repo, there is a lot of other stuff you can use. For example, quickly let me scroll down. You can see you can also do text to image like we just did. You can do image to image with this demo. And then, but you just have to replace this Python script there, which I just showed you in the Colab. And then you can also do the DemoFusion plus control net. So, and you can just look at the quality and you can imagine how cool is this one. So that's it, guys. Really impressed by this project. You can see there are a lot of image generation models there, but quality is the main difference now, and this DemoFusion does provide the quality. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.